Hey there. If you're self-employed, nobody withholds tax for you, and the quarterly deadlines arrive whether you've set money aside or not. This calculator works out what you owe and when. Let me walk you through it. Setup and tax rates is your profile. Filing status, the federal brackets, and your state income tax rate. Set these once. Income and expenses is where you enter the year by quarter. Income by client or source across Q1 to Q4 with your expenses alongside, so the calculation works from real numbers rather than a guess. The tax estimate tab is the engine. It takes your net self-employment profit and shows the calculation step by step. Self-employment tax, then federal income tax. So you can see how the number was reached rather than just trusting it. The quarterly schedule turns that annual figure into 4 payments with the actual IRS due dates, what's due each quarter, whether you've paid, how much, and what's remaining. The set-aside planner is the practical one. It takes your total tax owed and divides it into a monthly savings number, so tax stops being a quarterly shock and becomes a standing transfer. Safe Harbor is the tab that protects you from penalties. Based on your prior year figures, it shows the minimum you can pay and still be safe, which matters a lot in a year when your income jumps. And the dashboard keeps the headline numbers in view: total income, year to date, and net profit. That's the self-employed quarterly estimated tax calculator. Excel and Google Sheets, and the link is below. One note: this is a planning tool, not tax advice.